Welcome to this video, guys. In this video I'm gonna tell you guys all the features of PowerToys, guys. About all the features of PowerToys. First of all, this one, as you guys can see, the first feature is always on top, guys. As you guys can see, if you guys wanna align the window on top, like for example this Chrome browser, guys. This Chrome browser, you want to align it on top, guys, so that how much ever windows you open, it doesn't go behind. Windows Control T. If you activate it, it gets activated, guys, always on top. So guys, if you guys open how many windows if you want, it won't go from the top, guys. And to release it, Windows Control T again. Then it won't get at top, guys. And second feature is awake, guys. Imagine a situation when an important process is going on, or else you guys are reading an article and you guys don't want your PC screen to turn off, guys, when inactive. Then you guys have to turn on this awake feature, enable awake and mode. If you guys click on keep awake indefinitely, then your screen will be on, guys, on continuously, guys. It won't go to sleep, or it won't turn off the screen, guys. Next, crop and lock, guys. Crop and lock is used for making clicking an image of the screen, like for example creating a thumbnail or reparenting. For activating it, Windows Control Shift and R for reparent. And if you guys want to reparent till this portion, then the PowerToys gets closed and the screenshot only stays, guys. But similarly, if you guys want to create a thumbnail, then Windows Control Shift and T, guys. Thumbnail means the image won't, the software won't close, but reparent means the software gets closed, guys. And next one is color picker. Imagine a situation when a color comes in your screen, guys, which you haven't seen at any time, and you guys want to know the color code of the particular color. Then click on Windows Shift and C. Obviously the color code comes, and then also it shows the color, what color it is, dark blue or black or whatever it is. And after you guys click on it, you guys will get the hex code, RGB code, HSL code, all the code you guys will get, guys, by clicking on copy and paste. This you can do it, guys. This is useful for all the programmers and everyone, guys. And next one, FancyZones, guys. FancyZones can help in organizing your Windows Shift and this key. Can help you in how to organizing your windows in a grid, guys. But you guys have to reorganize it by resizing them. And next one is find my mouse, guys. Find my mouse. Imagine a situation, guys, where you guys are watching a video or doing something, and when you guys move the mouse on the side, guys, and you guys don't know where the pointer is, then you guys can use this find my mouse option. And when you guys shake it, guys, as soon as you guys shake it, you guys will know the location of the pointer. As you guys can see it, as I shake it, the location of the pointer comes, and when you click that, the pointer goes like that, highlighting. Okay, guys. And next one is keyboard manager. About keyboard manager, I have made a dedicated short video, guys. You guys can see how to remap a key or how to organize shortcuts and all, guys. And there is one more utility, guys, known as image resizer. When you click on image resizer and when you enable it, guys, it has many types of images, guys. As you guys can see, many types of sizes. And for resizing this image, guys, for example, I want to and the size of this image is As you guys can see the resolution guys, at 720 into 1280 the resolution. I am gonna resize this image to something, for example guys, as you guys can see here, you guys get the many options guys. Like for example I want a and resize it to 1920 into 1080p guys. As you guys can see this image has got resized, and this large image is 1080p image guys now. Before it was something 720p or something guys, but now it's 1080p guys now the images. Similarly you guys can resize many images guys to any size, and you guys can also add a new size guys for it. Plus after resizing you guys can even encode that image guys after resizing. And after you guys can see your mouse highlight, mouse utilities, that you guys get the option for highlighting the mouse click guys. Like for example when I normally I click there is no highlighting guys, but now as soon as I click on Windows Shift and H, the mouse key now guys, wherever I click it starts getting highlighted guys, as you guys can see. And you guys can also have an option of paste as plain text guys. For example you guys while doing an assignments and all, you guys need to copy paste from Google, as we all make fool teachers by doing that, by copy pasting from Google. But even though if you do that guys, even though the text gets copied like bold text guys and pasted as a bold one, due to which we can't teachers identify that whether we have copied from Google or we have typed on our own. But to prevent that guys, you guys can paste by clicking Windows Control Alt and V guys. Let me show you guys one example of it. As you guys can see this text is bold guys, some texts are bold in it. Let me copy it. In Word guys, when I post the same text in the word guys, you guys can see it. When I paste it by Control V guys, as you guys can see some texts are coming very bold, as you guys can see. But similarly if I paste the text by clicking Windows Control Alt V, as you guys can see, Windows Control Alt and V guys. As you guys can see, when I paste the text by pressing Windows Control Alt V, it's now getting pasted as a normal text guys. As you guys can see, now it's not clearly mentioned that it has been copied. So your teacher can't identify whether you have copied it from internet or you have pasted it. You have typed on its own. Teacher will think that you have typed this on your own guys. This thing. And it also avoids some bold textedness in some places while printing. And another one is and one more thing guys, that screen ruler feature is very important guys when you guys want to measure how many pixels between an image. And this feature is very important and very useful for the ones who do coding, app development and all guys, so to know how many pixels and when an image would cover. And this is important for a photographer also guys. To activate it you have to press Windows Shift and M. You guys will see this. And from where to where you guys want to measure the pixels, you guys have to drag it from there to there, and it will show the how many pixels are there in your screen. But similarly if you guys have to measure it of this place, particular place, for example as you guys can see I am measuring of this particular place, and how many pixels are there between two labels, as you guys can see. Can you measure it by using that plus icon? You guys can measure it of both the sides guys, how many pixels are there. And this is for vertical pixels between two objects, and this is for horizontal guys, horizontal pixels between the two objects, guys. This feature is very useful for the coders, guys. And when you guys press on that PowerToys Run Alt plus S, you guys will find many. You guys can search for any program and run it, guys. For example, I want to run Windows PowerShell here. So Windows PowerShell, or you guys can imagine any software, guys, which is very inside to your PC and you can't search it, guys. You guys can even search for files, guys. For example, I am searching for a screenshot, guys. 512 into. Even it's helpful in searching of screenshot also, guys. As you guys can see, I can search the screenshot. Whatever you want, you guys can search using the PowerToys Run, guys. And one more feature is text extractor, guys. Using that, you guys can extract the text from anywhere on your screen, guys. From an image also, you guys can extract the text. For example, when I press on Windows Shift and T, guys, you guys can see it opens up the text extraction. And now when I drag this, so guys, from that to there, the text could get extracted, guys, from this PowerToys. And the extracted text can be pasted, guys. As you guys can see, I have pasted this text. And one shortcut guide, guys. The shortcut guide, Windows Shift and this. When you guys press on this, you guys will come to know that what are all the Windows shortcut keys, guys, which can be very useful for you. So guys, this is till this much only is the video, guys. But sorry for not showing that demo of everything, guys. But only for some only I was able to show, guys. Okay, guys. And in some other video, I will show you guys the demo of the rest of the things, guys. I could. And thanks for watching my video, guys.